Welcome to Legenday Technology Company Limited. Legenday Technology is a professional R&D, design production of precision silicone, rubber products manufacturer. Realize the whole process of production system in the silicone field. Legenday has built a highly intensive and automated modernization factory, covering CNC finishing workshop, injection workshop, extrusion workshop, liquid processing workshop, drop rubber workshop, molding workshop. First of all, engineers use software for silicone rubber mold design, and then mold processing center will proceed high precision silicone rubber mold manufacturing. The workshop is equipped with multiple CNC machine tools and EDM machines to cooperate with each other to realize customers' customized needs. Then, after precision color matching, the silicone gel raw materials are rolled and cut, and then delivered to the molding workshop for product molding. At the same time, there are some products processing on the drop molding machine, which using the CNC processing technology for automatic dispensing production. The workers shall strip the material in strict accordance with the weight of grams. After forming each batch of products, the mold shall be cleaned with a high-pressure air gun, and the mold shall be checked regularly to ensure that the shapes of the products are consistent. After cooling the semi-finished products, they are delivered to the edging department for fine edging treatment, which is a process that the machine cannot replace manual work. In addition, after more accurate quality identification, the quality inspection department has sufficient visual inspection equipment to automatically classify and pack the finished products, so as to fully ensure 100% pass rate of the products. Legenday Laboratory has hardness tester, rebound instrument, densitometer, high temperature oven, dryer salt spray tester, quadratic measurement instrument, 3 coordinate and other testing equipment. Production can have testing at any time, and the whole process is involved in the production process to ensure quality. After completing the above steps, it can be put into storage and enter the delivery process. Should any inquires for the customized silicone products business, please feel free to contact us.